How to lock chats on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can lock chats on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now WhatsApp recently rolled out a new feature that is going to let you to lock chats. For this, first of all, open up your Play Store, just go ahead and search for WhatsApp and then just check if the WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then first of all make sure that you have updated the WhatsApp application to the latest version. Once you've done updating, open the WhatsApp Messenger application here and then just head over to the chat that you might want to lock. Once you've selected that, just tap the chat name from the very top of the screen, scroll down, you'll find this option over here that says chat lock. Everyone else should be able to find this. Now you can just tap the chat lock option here, and then over here you'll find this option called lock this chat with fingerprint. You want to make sure to just turn on this toggle right over here and then just tap on the OK option. Now you have to go ahead and verify your fingerprint first of all. Now you can see the chat is basically locked. Next time whenever you want to go to this lock chat section, you have to just use the fingerprint like this, and then you should be able to go ahead and find them respectively. This way you can lock chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.